I am Hazel Cabrera. Bait, ikay. Ikaw ba? Kaso lang, masama akong magalit minsan pag nagsiselos. First time movie namin ni Gwen. Because first time in my life that I'm kissing with a girl. Alam mo, paghalik ako sa babae, pero your imagination was, oh my God, so yucky, but okay lang. Bisexual naman, hindi naman, I don't wanna lie. Ayoko lang may paghalikan sa kapwa kong athlete. Siyempre, diba? I have done stripping to someone that I love in the bedroom. The song was I'm in love with a stripper. Ginagawa niya yung wall ko, may sinusulat siyang name, tawagan namin. Tapos, sinisuggest ko siya na I'm just acting like a stripper. Sabi niya, stop it! Sabi ko, no way, I'm not gonna stop it. I'm enjoying dancing. I love dancing. And hanggang sinasayaw ko siya habang nakaupo siya, I did all things.